Most people will say I just yawn because I'm hungry. Why do people yawn? Do you know? Excuse me. Yes, why do people even hiccup? I don't really know. Let's go find out.
Wetin dey make person dey yarn plenty o.
Okay, I want me to start today.
I dey tell you plenty. Number one,
Okay,
if you say maybe you dey hungry,
okay,
sometimes if you dey hungry, if you dey yawn, maybe like say sleep dey worry you,
okay,
that one follow. Three, stress.
okay.
Four sef gan four. For example now, I wan take put that one. Sorry to say, you know say I dey public o. But that one na if you say, for example, na only if you dey inside house now, make you dey feel like say you make you dey with your babe. You understand na? That yarn itself gan na that one still follow. If you dey yarn like that, you like I miss my babe o.
But at times, some health condition can also make somebody to begin to yawn.
When you are tired or hungry.
When I'm thirsty.
When I feel weak or
Okay.
hungry.
When I'm famished and when I'm tired.
I yawn because most times I'm tired.
When somebody is hungry,
Do you yawn?
I can't remember when last I did.
Is it contagious?
No.
no, it's not contagious.
No, it's not contagious.
Do you think it's contagious?
Yes,
That's if you don't close your mouth.
It is.
What causes hiccup?
cause of
Hiccup.
I don't understand that where's hiccup.
I no go school. Okay, now
When you eat something and the thing have not digest very well.
if you over too chop, when you over too do something, na dey cause that one o.
In our systems, tiny things just irritate the system, and then hiccup is trying to let you know. That's why when you drink water, you feel better.
Hiccup, when you don't drink a lot of water.
Most people say yawning is a disease. Yawning is not a disease at all, and it is also contagious. Most people don't really know if it's contagious or not. Yes, it is contagious. Even talking about it, you yawn.